Hello, my name is Crystal McGowan. I just had a tooth pulled, so I will do my best to talk clearly. Um, the only experience I have in learning research is from my internship I did at Texas State. During my undergrad, I was a research assistant at Verdict, which stands for Veterans Evidence Based Research Dissemination and Implementation Center. It is a transdisciplinary team made up of experts from all different kinds of disciplines that came together to try to help OEF, OIF veterans reintegrate after the war. Um, I was taught on REDCap, which is a web application to help support data capture for research studies, and it could be integrated with the VA database. So that was really helpful. Um, I mainly did chart abstractions and worked on putting surveys together. Um, they taught me about, what kind of questions to ask and who to send the surveys to, stuff like that. Um, so for me, I feel that being passionate helps make learning research more fun. Um, I know the more I learned what was being done for veterans, um, the more passionate I got about the research because I was excited to find out what could help my family personally. So I do think that helps when you are personally involved with it like that. Um, and after viewing the syllabus, I'm actually really excited about the media reporting discussion post. I stopped watching American news in 2000 just because I was tired of all the negative, untrue reporting. So I think this activity will be very interesting, and I can't wait to read everybody's posts. So thank you.